guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really quick post review for this tiny Diamond Dots Texas Bloom. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. It's $4.99, but I got a 40% off, so I believe it was like $2.99. But this was the kit here. And it came with a big old chunk of wax, this little tray, and your pen. And some instructions. And this is it. So it is a 3x3, 3" by 3". 5 colors, and it took me like 20 minutes. But it's super cute. It's got lots of sparkle, had plenty of beads, really good quality. So I'm going to be, I don't know, framing this or sticking it somewhere, but I loved it. I'm from Arizona, so needed the little saguaro. Don't know why it says Texas though. Who knows, but super cute. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and until next time.